ANC veterans, women and youth leagues gathered inside Mendi Arts Center Hall in Gqeberha with one voice of uniting the ANC members. Veterans League chairperson in the Nelson Mandela Bay region, Mzolisi Dyasi, says the purpose of launching this Veterans League is to bring back the beacon of hope to the people and that ANC can be trusted again.
Abahlali ingaske bayilandele umukakubulutsha ngoba le Congress lena nombutho lona ngombutho wabo ngombutho wesizwe ewakhona izinto zenzeka phana ngenxa yobusela zikhona izinto ezenzekayo ngapha service delivery zikhona izinto zenzekayo abantu abangaqolanga zizo kodwa singu-ANC Veterans League siyazithoba ebantwini sithi zikhona impazamo ezenzekileyo kodwa abantu mabayivotele i-ANC ngoba asinawo omnye umbutho wasizisela inkululeko ngaphandle kwale ANC. Kufuneka kwathina siyilungisile, kufuneka kwathina siyenze entsha, kufuneka kwathina siyivuthulele zonke izinto ezirongo apha kwe-ANC.
ANC Regional Deputy Chairperson Lufefe Mkutu says the state of the ANC now needs the veterans who can lead this party to the right direction.
Emotive forces yethu sicinga uba abantu who stand to benefit don't have the confidence in the ANC to vote for the ANC. And this is precisely because of many challenges that the ANC is facing. Issues around corruption, issues around internal fights, factionalism, and the capacity and the low quality of leadership in the ANC. And we think that the Veterans League, therefore, must help us respond to those challenges. What is to be done? How do we respond to some of those challenges?
Regional spokesperson and organizer of Nelson Mandela Bay ANC Youth League, Ntsika Mnyimba, and Sionela Matsidzela from Congress of the South African Students are glad to have attended the conference and say that as leaders of tomorrow, they came to learn from the experienced veterans.
We're here to draw inspirations from the Veterans League. We're here to seek advice. We're here to seek wisdom. As the people who have led this movement, and they have led it at the time that it was not fashionable to lead the African National Congress. They led it through. They gave us the freedom that we have today.
We don't want to rush into elections of leaders, but we are rushing to commissions to discuss and also have the battle of ideas within the ANC movement. To also come up on how we're going to formulate and create a roadmap on how are we going to gain trust again within Abahlali Nelson Mandela Metro.
ANC veterans in the conference showed confidence and dedication in advancing the ANC party in Nelson Mandela Bay. Reporting for MPK TV News, I am Jessica Bobo in Gqeberha.